YouTube, TK Bushcraft here with a review of a multi-tool, and this is the multi-tool. It is the double clutch, mini clutch. You may have seen a different one, exactly the same one, but without the Webtex locking carabiner on it. Anyway, it comes with all your normal multi-tool gadgets. Obviously the pliers that I just showed you, nail file. As you can see, I'm just going to come in a bit closer. Screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, another screwdriver, and the tweezers are really good, as they are rather fine. I have a blade on it. There's a small blade. It is a very nice piece of kit that I picked up. Instead of being £20, I picked it up on a cheap deal for £6. Basically, on this is the multi-tool, the Renault Laguna clip, and a Webtex locking carabiner. The Webtex locking carabiner you get in a two-pack, sorry, £3.99, which is rather nice. I do use these frequently, but I seem to have kept the paint from rubbing off them. Anyway, TK Bushcraft. Thank you for watching my video. TK Bushcraft.